Welcome to our Better Butts Bidet review. If you're seeking a game changer for your bathroom routine, look no further. In this comprehensive review, we delve into the features, installation process, and overall performance of Better Butts Bidet. Say goodbye to endless rolls of toilet paper and hello to a refreshing clean with every use. Stay tuned to discover why Better Butts Bidet is revolutionizing personal hygiene worldwide. What is Better Butts Bidet? Elevate your bathroom experience with Better Butts Bidet. This innovative attachment transforms your toilet into a spa-like oasis for your behind. Say goodbye to expensive toilet paper and hello to a refreshing clean with every use. It's easy to install and promises unparalleled hygiene and comfort, making it a must-have addition to any bathroom. Features of Better Butts Bidet. Adjustable spray and angle. Customize your comfort with adjustable spray intensity and nozzle angle, ensuring a thorough and comfortable cleaning experience tailored to your preferences. Easy DIY installation. Say goodbye to plumbing nightmares. Better Butts Bidet is designed for hassle-free installation, requiring no plumber or special tools. In less than 5 minutes, you can attach it to your existing toilet and enjoy the benefits immediately. Self-cleaning nozzle. Maintain optimal hygiene effortlessly with the automated self-cleaning nozzle. Ensuring cleanliness with every use, this feature eliminates the need for manual cleaning and provides peace of mind. Fresh water usage. Utilizing the same fresh water source as your shower, Better Butts Bidet ensures a high-quality cleaning experience without the need for additional plumbing or reservoirs. Why we love Better Butts Bidet. Enhanced hygiene and cleanliness. Cost-effective solution, saving money on toilet paper. Quick and easy installation without special tools. Adjustable settings for personalized comfort. Eco-friendly alternative to traditional toilet paper, reducing environmental impact. How does Better Butts Bidet work? Wondering how Better Butts Bidet works its magic? It's simple yet ingenious. Using the same fresh water as your shower, it delivers a gentle and soothing spray for thorough cleansing. With adjustable settings, you can tailor your cleaning experience to perfection. Plus, it's a breeze to install in less than 5 minutes, requiring no special tools. Enjoy the ultimate in cleanliness and convenience. Why should you choose Better Butts Bidet? Better Butts Bidet offers a revolutionary solution that not only enhances cleanliness but also saves you money. By cutting your toilet paper expenses in half and providing a superior cleaning experience, it's a win-win investment for your bathroom. Upgrade today and enjoy the luxury of a bidet without any compromises. Better Butts Bidet price and amp packages. Package 1, Single Bidet. Retail price, $69.95. Benefits, enjoy the convenience and hygiene of Better Butts Bidet at the standard retail price. Package 2, Triple Bidet Deal. Retail price, $209.85. Discount, $69.95, save 33%. Offer, buy 2, get 1 free. Save $69.95 and receive 1 bidet for free. Package 3, 5 bidet bundle. Retail price, $349.75. Discount, $139.90, save 40%. Offer, buy 3, get 2 free. Save $139.90 and receive 2 bidets for free. Better Butts Bidet user reviews. For additional details about this product, please visit the description link at techidevice.com. Thank you for watching our Better Butts Bidet review. If you found this video informative and helpful, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful product reviews. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and experiences with Better Butts Bidet. And remember, for a cleaner, more hygienic bathroom experience, make the switch to Better Butts Bidet today. Until next time, stay fresh and stay tuned for our next review.